look at that. Is that a Bronco? Hey, everybody wants one of them. Yeah, it ain't that big, so. Yeah, there you go. Hey! Viejo, viejo. Oh, yeah. Johnny get a Woody for that one. Damn, watch me. Ooh, look at the vet. And a vet.
5044. That's my number.
There you go, Eds. Camaros. Here we go. Who did it? Oh, man. Look at that guy. Woo! And there's that guy. Oh, come on, dude. Step on the gas.
Wait, 62 or 63?
Yeah, I don't know.
63.
Now look at that. Is that an Impala? Woo! Is that a Mustang? What's up, man? Hit it, baby! Show us what you got.
Yes, Dodge Plymouth.
Oh, is it?
Plymouth.
Hey! Get him, ZZ Top! Look at that shit. Oh, look at that bad boy. Woohoo! Oh, the Batmobile.
Is that what you call it?
I don't know.
Studebaker.
Yeah, there's another one. Ed, remember the Studebaker you had? Oh, yeah. Look at that. So we're sitting in Alpena. We're going to go fishing tomorrow. The car show just happens to be going by the bar we're at, Latitudes. We're at Latitudes in Alpena, Michigan. Sorry, Mustang, I missed you. Woo! There they go. Woo! All right. Woo! And that's not bad. And not bad. And not bad. Oh, come on, dude. Do it right in front of us. Do it again. Hey, do it again. Damn, they're doing it way up there. Man, watch out for the Prius. He's going to go by. Look at that. What, the Prius? All right, 3 minutes gone by. Man, that's a nice truck.
That ain't got no noise. It's like a Honda.
That, I think it's like a Honda
That's like
Goldwing
a
or something.
Hey, I think my Goldwing was noisier than that one.
Yeah, it might have been. Come on, buddy. Step on the gas. Look at that. Is that a Grand National? Was that a Grand National?
I didn't see that.
Ooh, nice Mustang. Ooh, I love the Mustangs. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that 66. Nice. Yes, sir. Who? Oh, he didn't know how to drive. His car could have beat me, but he didn't know how to drive. Yeah. Whoa, hot rod. There's another hot rod. Yeah.
68, 69? Oh, look at that.
Yeah. So we're sitting in Alpena at Latitudes Tavern as the car show goes by. Maybe they'll come back again. Maybe they won't.
That's a Bel Air.
Some of them dudes are badass. Well, here come the cop cars. I guess the fun's gonna end. Oh, look at that, man. Didn't that Uncle Leo have that? There's just...
Chagall's up here, man.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that truck.
Hold on.
Hit it, man!
Hit it.
Watch out, here comes the popo. The popo's coming after you.